Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our Wing Chun training. It's parallel hand Chi Sao and utilizing Lo Bong Sao. But before we get there, I need you to go to the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support. Have a great day.
So, I'm going to come in. Keith comes in clear. I Lo Bong. I see the opening. I attack it. He counters. So here from the Yun Sao, as he starts to press me, anytime somebody puts pressure on your hand, I want to do a rotation and release the force. So I'm going to step out as I rotate to view. From here, you got a multitude of techniques. You want to take a side kick, you can come in with a front kick, or just follow back with a punch. Any one of those. So again, comes through, I Lo Bong, I attack, he counters with the Yun, step out, view Sao. Here I'm going to take the side kick, come back, hit the body, and arm break. Coming through, Lo Bong Sao, fire back, counters with Yun, step off, cover, weight his leg, step, come in, body, arm break. One more. Oops. Come through, Lo Bong, fire back, cover, step off the line, kick, punch, arm break.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.